Hello, welcome to the Into building. This is one of the state-of-the-art buildings we have on our campus. It was opened in 2017 by Prince Edward, the Earl of Wessex. Let's go check it out. This is a place for international students studying a range of foundation and pre-sessional English courses. This building is home to some fantastic facilities, our lecture hall, classrooms, and not to mention a great spot to eat. Thank you. A must-try is Umami Cafe, situated on the ground floor. Open to all students and staff, noodles and curries are made fresh to order. And if you're traveling to campus via bus, our campus bus stop is right outside.